everyone, here comes the book of statistics with Excel, SPSS and I. This book is particularly talks about the stories of statistics. Now you must be confused, what does stories of statistics mean? Stories of statistics means that this book takes an ownership to tell you the concept of statistics in a very storytelling way. So you will feel that you are reading a fictional storybook but yet a course book of statistics. That's the uniqueness of this book. It weaves through all the concepts of statistics with our everyday daily life routine activities, as well as it hands-hold you in a dummy language to understand the concepts. It helps you nurture the concepts through basic foundational level. It has a lot of caselets, exercise and lot of self-learning activities, as well as it helps you to revise your content in an easier and a better way. So if you are a number savvy person, get it. If you are not at all a number savvy person, then you should buy it because it's a must buy for everyone. Thank you.